see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for being here again. Today was day number 4 of the Azula Permaculture Design Course, and as you may expect, it was another awesome day. Learned a lot of cool stuff. We started the day out today with Kyle in the classroom. Actually, we spent all day with Kyle today. We had water as a subject, water distribution on the planet. We talked about different types of water storage, but also about water filtration, how to catch and filter water. I was lucky enough last year at the Banyep project in Thailand to be a part of renewing our water filtration system. So it was cool because a lot of things I've seen and done with my own hands and eyes. And we talked about it again today, so that was really nice. Speaking of water, I'm sitting right here at the beautiful sexy lake that was dug last year around September, October. All of us had a swim just now. Classes are finished, so to refresh a little bit. It was a hot day today. We all jumped in the lake, so that's pretty cool. We also talked about earthworks, which is digging swales in the landscape to retain water when it rains, so it doesn't run off the landscape, but to suck it up like a sponge. And we talked about boreholes, wells, dams, and lakes. And yeah, it was a really interesting subject. And we talked about key line design and contouring the landscape, which is really important if you want to make swales, for instance. And after talking about it, we went out and did a practical session where we actually used some bush technology, as Kyle likes to call it. We made a really simple A-frames and Banyep water levels, and we used them outside of the dorm bathrooms to use the runoff, the grey water from the bathrooms, to feed a new garden. So we were making contours where the new gardens are gonna be next to the showers. So it was really fun to do something with our own hands after talking about it, and it was cool to use these kind of tools that we just made with a bunch of old pieces of wood and some garden hose and stuff like that. So that was really. We also talked about a very important subject, ecological sanitation, eco-sanitation, because all the poop and pee we flush down the toilet with about 6 liters of fresh drinking water every time we flush it down. It's a huge waste of resources because we can compost it and turn it into food, nutrients for the plants. So we talked about compost toilets, both wet, the ones you can actually flush, but also dry ones. Here at the project, they've got 2 different types of compost toilets. At Panya there was another type that we don't have here, so I've seen quite a few now. at Pon Pon in Thailand, where we were next door. They've got a compost toilet system that's wet. You can flush it with water, so it's more appealing to some people than a dry compost toilet. So that was a lot of fun to talk about. And we talked about how to treat grey water and our wastewater and all those kind of things. So these are really cool subjects because water is precious, and a lot of people in the world are finding out nowadays how precious it is, because a lot of places there's desertification in a lot of places and the water scarcity. So it's very important, I think, that we take responsibility to catch, store, filter our own water, and to be mindful with the water we use. And yeah, we learned about some really cool ways to do this, so it's definitely gonna come in handy in the future. Right now it's almost dinner time. I'm pretty sure that Shlomi cooked something really awesome for us again, so I can't wait to go and have a taste. But after dinner, we're gonna do a skill sharing session where everybody's gonna be sharing whatever skills they might have and want to share. So it's really cool. I'm gonna be showing people today how to make your own homemade toothpaste. I made a video about it once, so I'll put a link up right here in the top somewhere, so you can check that one out. It's very easy. All you need is like 3 ingredients, whip it up, and you're done. So that's what I'm gonna show. It's about a 5-minute thing. And yeah, I'm really curious to see what everybody else is going to share. It's going to be lots of fun, and yeah, I can't wait. I'm getting a little bit hungry now, so I'm going to call it a day. Tomorrow, day number 5, is going to be really, really interesting. It's one of my favorite subjects, I guess my favorite subject, natural building. And Lola Byron, the Queen of Cob, is going to take us into the mud pit, and we're going to stomp around, make some adobe bricks. And I'm thinking that we're also going to make some cob, and we're going to give the pizza oven another final layer. So I'm looking forward to that. It's always heaps of fun getting together and stomping around in the mud pit. Brings people closer together, connecting and grounding with your bare feet in the mud, and it's so much fun, and also really empowering to see that you can, with natural materials, build structures, pizza ovens, benches, and even your own house if you want to. So it's really awesome. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go for dinner. Thanks for watching. Extended tribe members, you guys take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, have a good one, and thanks for watching again.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.